Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing an art channel page where I used one of my watercolor mushrooms. I shared a video recently where I show how I create these mushrooms, and I will link you up on the top right corner. I'm working in one of my envelope art journals. This is a homemade art journal, and I also have a video how I did these journals, and I will also link you up in the info box on the top right corner. I start with primed pages. I use Gesso, of course, and now I'm stamping just some texture with the Rubber Dance travel stamp set. I use some modeling paste and a stencil from Stamplorations to add some texture. After the paste is dry, I use the Brushos to add in some color. After the background is dry, I go in with Gesso to bring back some white space. I'm also adding some white splatters with a homemade white acrylic ink. I use white acrylic paint, airbrush medium and water to mix this. I add some stamping with the Rubber Dance carved Whimsy wood stamps, and recently I really enjoyed playing with these because they have a super nice autumn touch. If you have Rubber Dance stamps at home and if you like playing with them, then I recommend joining the Rubber Dance Facebook group. It's called the Rubber Dance Stamping Lounge, because you can share your work there and you can enter the monthly challenge and also win some stamps at giveaways. I wanted to have some shimmer on my page, so I'm using the Colourcraft Aztec metallic paint together with the stencil that I've lined up again with my texture. And I just added with a sponge, and it adds a really nice shimmer. Unfortunately, it's not visible on camera. I am also using some Liquitex metallic ink to add some splatters. I used some dies from Tim Holtz to cut out some leaves from a watercolor background. The colors are similar to the colors I've used on this page, and I'm arranging the leaves and glue them down with glossy accents. And I've also cut out one of the mushrooms from my watercolor mushrooms and adhere it to the page. Finally, it's time to add a sentiment, and I've printed some words with the computer and arranged them to my page. Recently I had a lot of fun using the Nuvo shimmer pen, and again I used the shimmer pen on the leaves now. Here is my finished page. If you like the video, please give me a thumb up and subscribe to my channel. I'm also happy about reading your lovely comments. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!